Okay, welcome to the first video of Without a Plan. This video is actually going to be kind of different from the rest of them in that I've actually already built the set that I'm working on. Early in June 2022, I posted a picture on Reddit showing a Millennium Falcon that I had actually built using the Lego's instructions, but not actually purchasing the kit. And that actually got quite a bit of attention and made it all the way to #1 on Reddit. I had a lot of questions about that. I'll try and answer some of them right now, and then I will provide a quick tour of the inside of it. And then I'm actually going to be showing the time lapse of the teardown of the Millennium Falcon because I'm actually going to use the pieces for the next kit that I'm building. So one of the main questions I got was, how long did this take me to do? And the answer is about 6 months. And that's not working on it every day. That's probably 2 to 3 hours a week. And I would say, 80% of that time is spent looking for the pieces rather than actually building. So, it can be quite frustrating at times when you're looking for that one piece in 3 bins of Lego that you have somewhere, and trying to find that. There were times when I simply had to purchase a piece because I didn't have the right piece and there was no way of getting around it. For example, for the Millennium Falcon, there are gray wing panels. I had 5 or 6 of them, but you needed 40 to do the kit. And there was just no real way of accomplishing that without actually purchasing those pieces. Okay, we're gonna do a little tour of my home-built Millennium Falcon. There's not a whole bunch to see on the outside, or on the inside, but I'll show you what is there. So we can start over here. So this little guy, it's tough to open. There we go. So there's the hollow chessboard and where a whole bunch of the movie scenes took place. Actually, that blue thing there, I actually dropped it and can't fish it out, so that's what that's there for. But we'll put that on after. And then over here, there's this small port that comes out over here, and you can see, there's another sets of seats and stuff like that. This whole panel will come up, but there's really not much else on the inside. So you have some hatches, and this particular piece right here has actually already broken. It was another set of seats just like that. And then over here, I don't think there was much. Yeah, it's just an empty, kind of an empty cargo bay, I guess. And that's really about it. I mean, I guess there's the cockpit, which, as you can see, I just took a normal gray cone piece and drew my own windows on it. The piece that's from the Falcon set on Bricklink is like $50 or $60, which is more than I was willing to pay. So that's it. It's really, there's not much to it. And from here on, I'm going to actually start the disassembly of this in order to start working on the Star Destroyer set.